Hello everybody, this is Tyler and on this guide I'm going to show you how to put a plugin that can add PHP codes to your website without any way to overwrite it with any updates of your themes or the plugins. Okay, so in order to add PHP snippets to your website without worrying about updates for the themes or the plugins that will delete your snippets, you have to download the plugin Snippets tool right here on Add a New Plugins. You can search the keyword snippets. Code Snippets is the plugin that I need. It has the most active installations and the best reviews. So I install it and then activate it. After it's activated, you can see it right here on the dashboard. On snippets with the scissors, you can just click on all snippets and you can see some examples for snippets, and of course you can add your own new snippets right here or import it from a different website. You can give the title of the snippets right here. For an example, a PHP code, so I write the PHP code right here, and after that I can choose if it will run the snippet everywhere or just only run it in the administration area or only run on this site frontend, not that the administration area, and maybe I need to just run it once. So then I also can add a priority for this and a description so I can describe what the code does. After that, you can also enter a list of tags to separate it by commas if you want to add a few tags. If you have a lot of snippets, so you can categorize them by tags, and that's it. This is how you do it. After that, you save the changes, save changes and execute once. And of course, if it's running everywhere, you can just choose it here, save changes and activate it. And then you can also choose to put HTML content with that snippet, so it will run it together. If you want to upgrade it to Pro, you can also add CSS and then JavaScript as well in the same snippet. And after you have saved the changes and activated it, you can see that it works right here on all snippets. You have this one, PHP works, of course you can shut it down and deactivate it or activate it again. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to use this plugin so you can add PHP codes to your website. If you have any more questions, you can write them down in the comments below when I read a comment. On the first comment, I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.